Fix Canva image not found error easy guide. In this video I am going to teach you how to fix the Canva image not found error step by step. If you are working on a design in Canva and suddenly your images show up as blank spaces, broken links, or that frustrating image not found message, do not panic. This is a very common issue and it is almost always fixable. By the end of this video your designs will be back to normal. Let us get right into it. So first, let me quickly explain why this error happens. The image not found error in Canva usually means that Canva cannot locate or load the image file you are trying to use in your design. This can happen for several reasons. The most common ones include a temporary internet connection issue where a spotty connection prevents Canva from loading or displaying your image correctly. It can also happen if an image upload did not complete successfully, which occurs when the file is too large, there was a brief interruption during upload, or the file format is not fully supported. Another reason is if the original image was deleted from your uploads or moved from its source location. Browser cache or cookie buildup can also cause trouble after they have accumulated over time. Canva relies on a content delivery network to serve images and templates, so sometimes server-side outages can also cause this error. And finally, browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can sometimes interfere with how Canva loads content. Now let us go through the fixes. Step 1. Refresh the page. This is the simplest fix and it works more often than you think. Just press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. If it is a temporary glitch or a brief server hiccup, a simple refresh will bring your images right back. If you are on the Canva desktop app, close it completely and reopen it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Since Canva is a cloud-based platform, it needs a stable internet connection to load all your images and design elements. If your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, try switching to a different network. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. If Canva works on one device but not another, the problem is device-specific. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes. Canva's editor loads hundreds of web fonts and images, and cache buildup can slow performance and cause loading errors. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, check cookies and cached images and files, and click Clear Data. Then restart your browser and go back to Canva. Canva themselves recommend clearing your cache, cookies, and browser history, then refreshing the page as one of the first troubleshooting steps. Step 4. Try a different browser. Canva works best on Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. If you are having the error on one browser, open your Canva design link in a different browser and see if the images load correctly. Sometimes one browser handles Canva's rendering better than another, and this quick switch can solve the problem instantly. Step 5. Re-upload the image. If the error is happening with a specific image you uploaded, the original upload may have been incomplete or corrupted. Go to your Uploads tab in Canva, delete the problematic image, then upload it again fresh from your device. A fresh upload can clear any lingering issues from a previous attempt. Make sure the file meets Canva's upload requirements. You can directly upload JPG, PNG, SVG, and GIF files. Also check your storage limits. Free Canva accounts can upload up to 5 GB of media, while Canva Pro and Teams accounts have 1 TB of storage. Step 6. Disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can sometimes block Canva's content loading scripts. Extensions like Privacy Badger and uBlock Origin sometimes block Canva's font and image APIs. Try disabling all extensions temporarily by going to your browser extension settings and toggling them off. If Canva works after that, whitelist canva.com in your blocker settings and turn your extensions back on one by one to find the culprit. Step 7. Check if it is a Canva server issue. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. Canva's servers occasionally experience outages. You can check the real-time status at canvastatus.com or search for Canva down on Down Detector. If hundreds of reports have spiked in the past hour, it is a global outage. Server outages rarely last longer than 15 to 30 minutes, so the best thing to do is wait and try again shortly. You can also try using the Canva mobile app during an outage since it caches more data locally. Step 8. Check for deleted source images. If you are working on a shared design or a template and seeing the image not found error, it could be that the original image was deleted from the uploads by another team member. Or the image was linked from an external source that has since been moved or removed. In this case, you will need to find a replacement image and add it to your design. Also check for uploaded media that has been deleted from your account, as Canva will not be able to display images that no longer exist in your storage. Step 9. Update your Canva app. If you are using the Canva desktop or mobile app, make sure you are running the latest version. An outdated version of the app can cause images and elements to not load correctly. On your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play and check for Canva updates. On desktop, check for updates within the app settings. Here is your pro tip. To prevent this error from happening in the future, clear your browser cache weekly since Canva loads a lot of visual content and cache buildup can cause performance issues over time. Also, if you are a Canva Pro user, enable version history by going to Design Settings and selecting Show Version History. This way, even if something goes wrong with your design, you can always roll back to a previous version and recover your work. And always keep a local backup of your most important uploaded images on your computer or cloud storage so you never lose access to them. Alright, let us do a quick recap. We refreshed the page. We checked the internet connection. We cleared browser cache and cookies. We tried a different browser. We re-uploaded the problematic image. We disabled browser extensions. We checked for Canva server outages. We looked for deleted source images. And we updated the Canva app. One of these steps will almost certainly fix the image not found error for you. If this video helped you get your Canva design back on track, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another easy fix guide. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you because it genuinely helps other viewers solve their problem faster. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.